on, the next step is going to be to create a scenario pivot table report. So very similar. So this report, we're going to go to expenses, and then we are going to say Jessica also wants to compare the scenario results, create another scenario comparison as follows. Return to the expenses worksheet, which is here, and then it's going to create a scenario pivot table for the result cells B9 through B11, F14. So we're going to go to data, boom, boom. What if analysis, we're going to go to the scenario. We're going to go to summary, and then we're going to go to scenario pivot table. And this is going to do us a huge favor of creating it. And we're going to press OK. So now, here is our pivot table report. So on the scenario pivot table worksheet, format all values using the currency number format, 2 decimal places, and the number sign. So for that, whenever you want to change like how all this data shows up as far as like the format, you go to values, you right click, and then you want to go to, this is on a Mac by the way, so it might look a little bit different if you're doing it on Microsoft or something. You're going to go to field settings, and then we're going to go to number, and then they want us to place it our currency. They want decimal places too, and they want the money sign. Yep. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna press OK. Okay. And that's gonna change. Oh, it wants us to format all of these bad boys. So yeah, you would just go down each one and basically do the same thing. Right click, format settings, and then you would basically just put everything into the currency format, and then it's going to keep changing them. Okay, so for example, number D, this is going to be the Santa Fe revenue. So I'm going to right click, field settings, number. You can always change it. There's accounting, depending on what you're trying to do, a custom one or whatever. And then you're going to go to currency, and that's kind of already filled out how we want it. 2 decimal places and the money sign. Okay, okay, and then boom, it changes. So yeah, that's it.